I arrived in Canada as an international student. When I met my husband and daughter at the airport a month later, we were filled with hope and dreams of starting a new chapter. However, our excitement soon turned to doubt when I faced an unimaginable challenge. I noticed a lump in my breast and I had a checkout. I underwent all the tests needed and waited for the result. It was the longest waiting moment in my life. My doctor called me that day and informed me the results of all the tests. When I first heard the words, "You have stage 3 breast cancer," everything around me seemed to come to a pause. When I arrived home, my husband held my hand and looked into my eyes, reassuring me that I was not alone. We would fight this cancer and I would be healed. In that heartbreaking moment, my husband, my family, friends, and my spiritual community became my lifeline. As I started treatment, my medical team became another source of strength. I remember the first day of chemotherapy session. One of the nurses attended to me, held my hands, and looked into my eyes. "Everything will be fine," she said. That day brought new challenges, but seeing how they connected with me in the way that I needed gave me hope and courage. I remember the day my hair began to fall out due to chemotherapy. Witnessing such a noticeable change was painful. It highlighted just how drastically cancer was affecting my life. My husband stood beside me, hand on my shoulder, offering his usual calm and loving support. I saw all emotions in his eyes as my hair fell to the floor. I cried not only for myself, but also because I feared how seeing me without hair might affect my daughters. As their mother, I've always tried to shield them from pain. However, that day taught me that love sometimes requires demonstrating strength through vulnerability. Through every step of this journey, gratitude has become my anchor. This journey taught me the deep power of resilience, faith, and community. In letting others lift me, I found a new kind of strength inside myself. Cancer changed my life, but it also opened my eyes to the true value of human connection.